Good morning, everyone. It's a beautiful day in the Ozarks. It is Thursday, December 26th at 9:15 in the morning. Welcome to my channel, Relearning to Draw After 55, and we are working on how to make a comic book. So I decided on this one to do, I don't know, what do you call it, a sheep or a lamb? But it was just another, oh, it's a sheep, I guess. Just another way to get another page in. I did like this one, drawing it, a lot of clean lines. Did the sheep as simple as I could, make it, I guess, show out a little more for anyone who's wanting to color it. This may look like a kid's book, but adults can color too. I see a lot of people coloring online. So it's not just for kids anymore. And there are more complex coloring books, I know, but this is just fun for me to do. Helps me get my shapes, my perspectives, and centering objects in there. You'll notice mine will always have a sun if it's outside and clouds. I'm going to try and include birds. So I went back and added birds onto this one, as you can see, above the barn and above that cloud there. So trying to think of more elements for people or kids to actually color in on the picture. I'm really liking this project as well, and doing the inking part as well. It makes it about 25% longer, but I speed it up and make it the same. So you won't notice. But it took me about 44 minutes to do this particular one with all the inking, from everything from scratch. I will never have any AI in my videos. This is all going to be organic, all going to be as you see it. I've got a whole lineup of animals I'm going to be doing. I've got a list created and made for about 3/4 of the comic book. And once we get into getting it online, I'll keep you up to date on how sales go. So as for today, I'm going to finish up my tea and finish up this drawing. Again, start a hobby. It's really good. It could turn into something more. Try and make time. I got up at 5:30 this morning and jumped out here. So here's the final product. Have a great Thursday, and we'll see you next time.